Hi everyone, this is Drew with Career Services, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial video on Linktree. Now, Linktree is a great resource because what it does is it creates a landing page for multiple links to be featured. The reason why this is so important is because on Instagram and LinkedIn and a few other socials, you only have an opportunity to put one link in the profile or the description. So why not utilize it to the max? A Linktree is a great way to do it because what it's doing is it's taking one link but featuring several. So let's get into this. So we're going to go to Linktree to create a free account. When you get to Linktree, you're going to hit the sign up free button. From here, you're going to declare what your username is, which is probably going to be your name. It'll help Google search when they're trying to find you as an individual. Next, you're going to have your email address, and then you're going to create a password that correlates with this account that's easy to remember. Next, you're going to agree to terms and you're going to sign up with this email address. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you need to name the account that's tied to your Linktree. The easiest thing you could possibly do is put your name. Also, that you're a realtor if you'd like. Then you're going to hit continue. From here, you're going to be determining what category is tied to your Linktree. For me, it's going to be education. I'm going to keep moving. Next, I'm also going to determine that it's e-learning because you know how much I love my YouTube videos. So I'm not a robot and I'm going to hit continue. Okay, this next window, I'm going to determine whether it's a free or a paid for account. I would recommend starting off free. You can always upgrade your account. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to hit the free checkbox and I'm going to scroll down and sign up for free. Next, I'm going to push myself into the Linktree account. Super exciting, not too hard, right? So for this next part, you're going to have to verify your account, and it's very easy. It has come to your email address and you need to click the button. So let's do this. I'm opening my email address and you will see a link just like this. I'm going to verify my email. Once you do that, it's going to push you back into Linktree. Sign in to continue. Awesome. Easy, right? So the first thing I want to point out up here at the top where it says My Linktree, this will be your universal link that you use on Instagram and LinkedIn as you go, because this is going to be your catalog for all your links. An example, I'm going to create my very first link. I'm going to first name the link. An example is Harry Norman. Okay. And the URL for our website is www.harrynorman.com. Easy link, right? And this will be a universal link. I'll always have this there. Also, I can add another link. For instance, one of my socials, maybe YouTube. Y'all know my channel. I'm going to type in YouTube channel. Perfect. The URL is www.youtube.com/HNR trainer. Perfect. So now I have two links. Now also if in my socials like Instagram and so on, if I'm doing specific things like referencing a website or featuring a blog entry or something like that, I will use them systematically as I'm moving with the social media platform. So I would slip them in and maybe remove them after a while and put in new ones. So think of how you're going to utilize these links for longevity items as well. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so the first thing is I want to show you what I've just created. By clicking on this link at the top, you will see here is my new Linktree. It has my account information at the top, which is my handle, and also has the two links that I just added, which will push them to those. Now, the reason why this is so important to create a Linktree is, for instance, here. You already know this. This is my Instagram account, and I had one opportunity to put a link in. So I chose to use my Linktree. So if people want to get to know me better, they can click here and they will see my Linktree that has multiple links here. It's a great way to utilize it. If you have any questions or this is new to you, reach out to me at Career Services. I hope this helps. Have a great day.